Welcome guys, today I have for you a Cincinnati-Milacron MONOSET for you. This machine is wired for 220 volts and we'll just get right into it. As you can see off to the side, we do have two different Newell DROs. They are the DP700s, reading X, Y, A, and Z axis because this machine does move in a bunch of different ways. So we'll start off with our wheel head, get that running for you, and then we'll get our work head running for you as well. This is going to be most of your operation controls for this head right here. It's a variable speed, bring it down or bring it up, and you could also go ahead and reverse it as well. Go ahead, reverse that, and now it's going backwards. As I mentioned, this machine does move in a bunch of different ways, so you could go ahead with this little locking clamp right here, unscrew that, and then you could mount this in any direction that you want. This slide does go in and out as you're grinding, and it does have a fine feed as well. Over here on this side, you could go up and down and also in and out. This right here is going to be a brake for your work head, so if I went ahead and turned it off, I could just press that in and it'll brake my head for me. This machine does come with a bunch of tooling, as you'll see in the photos, and a nice little lamp on top. It does have an oiler over here, along with the other side, so we can get everything nice and lubricated, and everything does have a lockdown to it. Again, this is going to be the Cincinnati-Milacron MONOSET wired for 220 volts. Thank you.